Driving for business? Tracking your mileage is one of the largest tax deductions for many small businesses. QuickBooks can automate the log. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The best way is with the QuickBooks mobile app enable location services. Tap track mileage and the app uses GPS to log trips. Classify each as business or personal. Business trips can be assigned to a customer or project. The app calculates the deduction value using the standard IRS mileage rate. You can run a mileage report at tax time to get your total deductible amount. My crucial pro tip: start and stop tracking at the beginning/end of your workday. Get in the habit of tapping start trip when you get in the car for the first business drive, and stop trip when you're done for the day. Let the app sort out the segments later. Never miss a mileage deduction or scramble to recreate a log at tax time. Have you ever been audited on mileage? A solid log is your best defense. For more guides on maximizing deductions, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.